Procore Construction Software Review. Is it worth it? Procore is a well-known construction project management platform that offers a broad suite of tools: project scheduling, budgeting, document and drawing control, safety and quality tracking, subcontractor coordination, mobile field access, approvals, RFIs, submittals, and integrations like software like AutoCAD or Revit. Many users praise Procore for centralizing all project data so teams can work from a single source, improving transparency and reducing paperwork. The mobile apps allow field staff to view and upload plans, log daily reports and photos, access documents on the go, which is often considered a strong plus. But there are several drawbacks, especially for smaller firms. A frequent complaint is the cost. Pricing is not transparent, is based on annual contracts, features used, and especially on the company's construction volume. For small or mid-sized businesses, the cost is seen as quite high, sometimes jumping significantly at renewal. There are performance complaints too: slowed load times, lag when switching projects, or uploading large files. Some say that the user interface can feel overwhelming because of many modules and steep learning curve. Others say reporting customization is limited, email notification overload is frustrating, and integrations promised don't always work smoothly. So is Procore worth it? For large construction companies managing many projects, teams in the field, multiple stakeholders, and who need centralized documentation with lots of features, Procore likely offers real value. It can reduce inefficiencies, improve collaboration, and simplify many administrative burdens. But for smaller firms or for projects that need basic features, Procore may be overkill, expensive, complex, and possibly more than needed. In conclusion, Procore is legit and powerful, but best suited to companies that can afford its cost and dedicate the time to learning and integrating it fully. It's likely worth the investment only if you need its full set of tools. Otherwise, lighter and cheaper alternatives may offer a better cost to value trade-off. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.